morning, folks. I'm beat. I'm tired. I didn't get much sleep last night. It's the only one here at this campsite. I don't know. Just feel a little funky. Rethinking my gear choices. Realized that I've been here before. I did this section from here to almost the Cove Mountain shelter, but I made it to Darlington, so I don't know if I'm going to pick up there or what I'm going to do. I'm 5 miles away from Iron Master's mansion, the hostel in Pine Grove, so I'm probably going to stop there, see what's up, talk to my daughter a little bit, just looking at the bunnies running around. This is beautiful forest here, man. Yeah. It's been a good trip, been meeting some goals, but yeah, it's putting a hurting on me, this pack I'm trying out. I don't know. But I know I need different footwear for what's coming up. It's starting to affect my feet now, and it's not even that rocky. And to make a little better time and save my feet a little more so I'm not, hurting so bad at the end of the day, I think a little sturdier footwear would be in order. I have a pair of Brooks Cascadias I want to try. I think they're a little sturdier than these Ultra Lone Peaks. I think they would do a little better over the rocks. So, that's my thoughts for this morning. Yeah. I don't know. I think maybe going back to my Hyper Mountain Light pack might be a little easier too. This one, the weight shifts around a lot. I don't know. I'm just thinking weird things this morning. But anyway, looks like the sun's trying to come out. Getting a late start today, which that's alright. It's like 7:30 right now. So I just finished up breakfast. I'm going to tear down and get moving. And I will get with you later on down the trail. So y'all have a good day. Get with you then. Halfway point sign. I thought it would have a year on it, but I didn't see one. But this is after 2018's halfway. Alrighty, moving on. Talk to y'all later. Alright folks, there's a little view out there. That's what I get, little views poking through the trees. But I'm heading downhill. Alright folks, I'll get back with you later. Have a good day. Nice water source. So from, well, right before Tom's shelter, Tom's Ridge, whatever it's called there, Tom's shelter, where I stayed last night, there's 3 water sources before it. I thought the first one was the one you needed to get water at, so I carried it like 0.4 miles. But there's 2 more after that. There's one right by the campground going north on the trail, which isn't very far. So this area has water. It's amazing. So I thought I'd stop and share that. And a cool little bridge. Alright, talk to y'all later. This is the second little cabin I come across. I guess I I don't know, if you go through the state park, Pine Grove Furnace Park, I don't know. But I imagine these are for rent. Pretty nice. I think that's a big privy back that way. Fire ring there. Pretty cool. Another beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, catch up with you at Pine Grove Furnace. Pine Grove. That general store, I think it's only open on the weekends now, this time of year. Okay, so my daughter's coming out, get me to my car. Then I gotta regroup on some things. But it was a gorgeous trip. Couple days. I still got time. I might make it back out again, and if I do, you will see it here first. So I will get back to you when I get down here. I'll talk to you later. Bye. So I'll give you a little clip of the Iron Masters mansion. I'll walk down to the general store here, take a load off. Look at this. There's camping here. I imagine you gotta pay, I don't know. I don't know what this building is here. Paymaster's rental cabin. So I guess if you want to camp here, that's where you go. So this is general store, folks, where you do the half-gallon challenge. But I'm gonna see if I can't get a soda at least. That would be cool. All right, guys, I'm gonna go enjoy this sit down. Welcome 2019 hikers. Awesome. All right, later.